Hi, I'm Roman Hutz, co-founder of Impuls, and in this video I'm going to show some of the tech we've created at Impuls to generate warm and validated leads that are easy to convert and manage for PRO licensing reps, which will bring in more revenue to the PROs and ultimately the artists. I'll begin with our mobile app, which brings in users, or as we like to call them, copyright ambassadors, to perform audits in real-world locations for awesome rewards. And I will end with our web dashboard, where the information from our mobile app and more additional data that we collect is used to give licensing reps the validated and warm leads that they really need so they can prioritize and focus their conversions where it matters. Starting off with the app, the core feature here really is the evidence submission. So when users or copyright ambassadors visit a coffee shop, for example, they can record the evidence that they see of music use, and then this evidence can then be submitted to us. Along with their submission, they submit information such as the name of the business, the capacity, the event type, music type, location, and this is all useful for determining the tariff and the value of the tariff, and very useful information for the licensing reps. So once they create their submission, they will receive some points as a reward, which they can redeem for something awesome like a Drake t-shirt, concert tickets, or maybe even cash. Then they can also see a history of all the previous submissions they've done. So for example, this user has submitted evidence on the Chris, and this location is currently unlicensed, so maybe they didn't receive the full amount of points that they will get once the licensing rep actually goes out and converts the location. And also, we want the users to have a sense of competition so they can compete with local users in their area for some more awesome rewards. So all this information from the app will then be used along with additional information that we collect inside the web dashboard for licensing representatives. So what's key for the licensing representatives is that these leads are warmed up. So for example, if they do a search for bars in Toronto, Canada, they will get to see the results that we've pulled as well as the additional information collected from the app. There's going to be an easy to view distribution on the map to see where the locations are actually located and some additional descriptions on each place. So for example, if the licensing rep wants to visit their website, they could go ahead, click on it, and this is Soko Kitchen Bar. If they want to view the full profile, they can go right ahead and see further information where we establish metrics such as profitability, which evaluates how much revenue can actually be generated from this lead. Also, they have the status, or if this place is already licensed and if it's worth pursuing or not. If it's not, for example, the licensing rep can actually request to audit this location, which will prioritize this specific business inside the app for mobile users so that the copyright ambassadors can submit more evidence to this location. And here below, we see a demonstration of some of the data we collect. This data really helps licensing reps get an idea of the type of music use that is present in the area, as well as actual evidence that music use is being played. So if we go back to the lead search page, we can actually do a different search, such as live music in Barcelona, in Spain. And let's see what the results are. As you can see, this really works for any area, and this is a global solution. This application is very dynamic and provides an outlook on whatever area the licensing rep is currently working on. Tying in the web dashboard and the mobile app, this really provides an all-in-one solution for the licensing reps to be able to have access to warmed up and educated leads that will be very easy to convert, with the ability to really focus and prioritize the leads that they know are more profitable, all thanks to the technology of Impuls. Thank you for watching the tech demo of our MVP. With your help, we can move society forward by helping performance rights organizations give artists the royalties that are due to them. Thank you.